Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gadget Premi. This is Samir and I hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to review on a brand which is known as Tribit. This particular brand is quite underrated and it produces very good quality Bluetooth speakers. And since Bluetooth speakers are quite popular nowadays, people tend to buy expensive, speakers like JBL, Bose, and there are several other brands in the market which are quite popular. But this particular brand has made its own place in the market. So guys, if you're looking out for a premium speaker with a good quality bass and a loud sound, you are watching the right video. And guys, let me tell you, Tribit Bluetooth speakers are not as costly as JBL, but yes, they are expensive. So I got this speaker from Amazon for approximately 19,000 rupees and this is StormBox Blast. So the speaker has a beautiful design as you can see from this box, and let's take a look at the features now. It has a 90-watt RMS output. It is quite loud. It has a beat-driven LED, so you get RGB LEDs as shown over here. So this speaker is also IPX7 waterproof rated. That means you can use near swimming pools, go to beaches. Absolutely no issues. It doesn't have any effect of water. And the best feature is it has 30 hours of long battery life. Believe me guys, because this particular thing is very important when you're going for a battery powered Bluetooth speaker. Now let's take a look at the top side of the box. So this is the branding which is shown over here. And at the side you will get some other features. It's written brighten up your party, and this is what you get inside the box. So you get a AC powered charging cable, a user manual, and you can download the app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. There are various features of the speaker which can be controlled from the app. I will show you ahead on this video. So on this side of the box, you get other features. You get an X Pass. There is a Tribit app which you can download. It has 90-watt powerful sound, beat-driven LED, the same things which were written on the front side of the box, IPX7 waterproof. It has a customizable EQ, and the important thing is the 30 hours long battery life. Now let's take a look inside the box. Let's quickly unbox this and I will show you how the actual speaker looks. So the packaging is very nice. As you can see, a welcome note. Thank you for choosing Tribit. So this is the user manual which no one bothers to read. So let's keep it aside. And this is the beauty guys which comes out of the box. It is quite heavy guys because it is approximately 6 kgs in weight. So this is the front view of the speaker. The branding is done on the bottom side. Here it mentioned as Tribit, and these are the RGB LEDs over here. And let's take a look on the top side. So the branding is also done on the grab handle. Here you get the controls. This is a power on off switch, and this one is the Bluetooth pairing switch. This is the volume down. This is play and pause. This is volume up. And this button is for the RGB LED lights. You can change the pattern as per your choice. And there is a dedicated button for XPass. So these buttons are rubberized, even if you accidentally spill water on it, there is absolutely no problem. It's IPX7 waterproof rated. The speaker is quite heavy. It is approximately 6 kilograms in weight. So I wouldn't recommend small children to lift this speaker because they might accidentally drop it. The grab handle is excellently designed. As you can see, it has matte finish and it is made up of hard, durable plastic. And it is quite premium, guys. It is not cheap at all. And if you see at the side, it has this base radiators. I think this is made up of some rubber-like material which vibrates. And both the sides, you get this base radiators, as you can see from here. Now let's take a look at the bottom side. It has 4 rubber grips. So when the speaker is on full volume, it makes sure that it doesn't slip from the table. So the grip is quite nice. So let's turn on the speaker and you get this beautiful RGB welcome lights glowing up on the top. And there's one good thing about this Bluetooth speaker, guys, which I would like to tell you, that this speaker can be paired with 2 different mobile phones, and you can play back songs from 2 different phones. But the condition is you will have to pause the playback on one phone and then you can play it from the other phone. So you can keep the party going on with 2 different mobile phones. And there is another feature where you can connect 2 different Bluetooth speakers of Tribit with one single mobile phone, and you can use it with left and right stereo sound that can be configured from the Tribit app. So this is how the Bluetooth works in this Bluetooth speaker. So let's take a look at the back side of the speaker. This speaker is IPX7 waterproof rated. That's the reason it has this rubber flap which is tightly fixed. So let me open it and show it to you. So once you open this, you get this AC socket where you can plug in your AC charging cable. And this particular speaker also has USB-C charging port where you can charge your mobile phones, and it works as a power bank. It also has this auxiliary input where you can connect other devices directly from a stereo cable. So guys, before we start using this Bluetooth speaker, make sure to install the Tribit app from the Google Play Store, and let me show you some details about this app. Keep watching. So guys, before we proceed for the demonstration, let me tell you that you need to download the Tribit app from the Google Play Store. And when you connect it for the first time, you will have to upgrade the firmware of that Bluetooth speaker. It is always recommended to be on the latest version of the firmware because there are certain updates which are pushed from Tribit, like battery optimization, and you will get a better performance from your speaker. So that's the reason you need to be on the latest firmware. So guys, once the firmware is installed, you need to open the app again. You will see Tribit StormBox Blast showing on the screen, and it will also show the battery percentage. You will get some basic controls like volume control, play and pause. Now let's take a look at the bottom of the screen. You will see there are various other options. So you can click on the light and you will see there are 3 different modes. You can select any of the modes depending upon your mood. So the light pattern will change on the speaker. And the third option which we get is the equalizer, which is important. You get certain preset equalizers where the bass and the treble and the vocals have been already set. So based on the song which you are hearing, you can easily select from the customized preset equalizers which are already configured on the app. And also there is an option to customize the 10 band frequencies. You can set the frequencies of bass and treble based on your requirement. So you get the full flexibility of this 10 band equalizer. Now let's take a look at the settings of the device. So click on the settings icon and you'll see there are various options. You get countdown to shutdown. Now this particular option is used when you want to turn off the device after a specified time. Then there is an option to auto shutdown. If the music is not playing, it is idle, then it will automatically turn off. As you can see, there are 3 options which are given over here. And there is a volume indicator where you can see the volume levels on the RGB lights. So this is all about the app, guys. So guys, let's proceed to the demonstration of the speaker. So make sure that you are wearing some headphones, and I'll be playing some non-copyrighted music, so that will not affect my YouTube channel. So I hope you understand. So please keep watching.
I can't ever be the best boy you want me to. I just can't measure up. No, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion. Never gonna be what you want. Best boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part. No, I ain't got Nikes in my hair. It's spiky and we both know that I can't be your backstreet. You'll never want me like you want CDs from the 90s, like you want Mac Clean, and I can't say to your face I don't want it that way. You seem stuck in a decade that you were born. Open one day you wake up on a tour bus headed to Rome for a Coliseum concert with thousands of crazy fans. Looking up at the stage, I'll be dancing knowing I'm your man. I can't ever be the best boy you want me to. I just can't measure up. No, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion. Never gonna
Guys, I bet you won't be able to listen about 50% of the volume of the speaker, it's that loud. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.